So most people see this question and it looks simple. So most people make a mistake in this question. So let's see first how people solve this question like. So most people solve this question like 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So 8 divided by 2 multiply 4. Now 2 multiply 4. So is equal to 8. So 8 divided by 8. Now 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. So the answer is 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. And most people make this same mistake in this question and got the answer 1. Right? Now let's solve this question correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Right? So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, and multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Both also have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, we have one division, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis, right? So 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So now the expression becomes 8 divided by 2, then in the parenthesis 4. Now here we have one division and here we have one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Now 4 times 4. So now 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So the correct answer is 16, right? Thanks for watching this video.